Let's make this beautiful lantern swag. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I need to cut it long enough so that I can tie this onto the lantern, and I should use my scissors correctly. So I'm going to take the Bowdabra Bow Wire, I'm going to fold it in half, and I want to make sure that I have enough wire that I can tie this onto my lantern. Lay this down into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I have my leaves, and we're just going to lay these down in here. They come apart there. And I'm going to do the same thing with my lemons. Just lay those down. Then we're going to make a funky bow, or a funky bow or an awareness bow, however you want to call it. And so I'm going to take I've already dovetailed the ends. I'm going to take this, I'm going to twist it, lay it down into the Bowdabra. Let's go to the overhead camera so you can have a better look at what I'm doing. And now I'm just going to lay this down in here. So we have two tails and a loop. And we're going to do the same thing going the opposite way. So I'm going to twist it, lay this down in here, and make my loop and lay this down. And just make sure my loops are the same length, which they are. And we're going to make what we call a shoelace bow. So we've already dovetailed the ends. I'm going to fold this in half, find the center, and then lay this down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to bring this over. And again, I'm just measuring my loop to the size of the first loop that I did. I'll lay this down. Now, if you want the materials list and the lengths of the ribbons, it's in the description below. And again, we're going to make another shoelace, what we call a shoelace bow. We're just going to go to the center, put the right side of the ribbon down. And this is like my favorite new ribbon of this year, is this crushed velvet. It's so beautiful. We're just going to lay this down over here. And then we're just going to make a little button loop. So I'm just going to twist this, make my loop, and have my tail hanging down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, and I'm going to give everything a really good push here. And take my wire, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out of the Bowdabra. And again, you can see I'm not struggling with this at all. And I want to thank everybody who watches us every single Wednesday when we have a new video come out, and who joins us on our lives. Mostly we do them on Monday nights at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 Eastern. And then now what I'm going to do is shape out my loops and pull my tails going down. Bring my little button loop to the center here. Bring my tail down. Shape out the loops. Now, because these are bring my flowers. Now these are wired lemons, so you can just bring those around to the front. Bring this here, and now we've got it all shaped out. So the only thing that I have to do is go over here to my lantern, and I'm just going to tie this onto my lantern. Makes a really pretty, and all I'm doing here is just tying a little bow on the back of this. I can't really show it to you. In fact, what I'm going to do to make it tighter is I'm actually just twisting the ribbon so that holds it in place, and then I'm just tying it. So you can see we have this beautiful lantern swag that was super, here I go again with the super simple to make. So anyway, thanks everybody so much for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.